Before starting the liner, let's make sure we have our reference opened up next to our canvas. Select the liner brush, or whatever brush you prefer to work with, and let's start. I'm gonna start by roughly drawing some basic shapes following my reference. I like to start with the square for the head because it helps me to visualize where everything else needs to be placed. So the liner would be our guide once we start painting our subject. Some artists like to spend a lot of time on their line art, making it beautiful and perfect, which is amazing. But for the type of portrait we're trying to do, I think the liner doesn't have to be super detailed because it will be covered by brushstrokes. So should be good enough to give you the right idea of proportions and the shapes to follow. I'm going to erase the face guidelines I initially drew so I can start placing the nose, mouth, and eyes. Try to start with drawing an oval for these features, just so you can decide on the position and distances between each other. Right now, you might look at this and think it's too thick and messy, but this is just a rough liner stage. So, in the next video, we will be creating a much cleaner line using this one as our guide.